Hey, quick question: what if I told you that you still have 6 months left in 2025 to completely change your financial story? Sounds good, right? But here's the catch: most people look at the calendar today and feel like they've already wasted the year. But let me remind you, it's not about how you started, it's about how you finish. Every day, it's a new chance to turn things around. And today could be the day you change your future. If that's you, stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to take control of your money, set powerful goals, and build habits that will make 2026 your most financially successful year yet. No fluff, just real, actionable steps you can start right now. And before we move forward, if you're serious about improving your finances and building a better future, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way, you'll never miss out on practical tips and motivation to keep you going. If you've watched my previous videos, you already know the basics: how to budget, how to save money consistently. That's the foundation. And if you've been following along, great. But if you're still feeling stuck or like your money isn't working for you, it's time to level up. Let's start by taking a clear look at where you stand right now. Grab a piece of paper or open your notes app and list your assets, things you own, and your liabilities, debts or money you owe. Calculate your net worth by subtracting liabilities from assets. Also, check your debt-to-income ratio, how much of your income goes toward paying off debts. This honest snapshot is your financial starting line. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Awareness is the first step to change. And here's some motivation for you. Every financial journey begins with a single, honest step. Even the most successful people started by facing their reality and deciding to do better. You're already ahead just by being here and taking this step. Now, let's talk about goals, but not just any goals, SMART goals. That means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying "I want to save money," say, "I want to pay off $50,000 or $600 of credit card debt by December 31st. Break that down into weekly or monthly targets, so you always know exactly what to do next. If you haven't built an emergency fund yet, this is the moment to start. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Whether that's $150,000 or $2,000, start small. Set up an automatic transfer from your salary account to a separate savings account every payday. It's a simple habit that pays off big in the long run. Remember, the road to financial freedom isn't about giant leaps. It's about small, consistent steps. Progress is progress, no matter how slow. Celebrate every win, because each one brings you closer to your goal. And what about investing? If you haven't started yet, the next 6 months are a perfect window. Markets have been showing resilience, and there are plenty of easy-to-use digital platforms now. Consider starting with SIPs, index funds, or ETFs, low-cost, beginner-friendly options. Whether you're investing $5,000 or $100 a month, consistency is key. If you already invest, take some time to review your portfolio and rebalance if necessary. Don't forget taxes and insurance. Optimizing your investments for tax benefits can save you a lot of money, whether you're in India, the US, or anywhere else in the world. Also, make sure your insurance coverage, health, life, property is up to date. Protecting yourself against unexpected setbacks is just as important as growing your wealth. Here's a little motivation for the journey. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Whether it's learning, planning, or protecting your assets, every effort you put in today multiplies your results tomorrow. Your future self will thank you for the actions you take now. One last thing: invest in your financial knowledge. Read a book, take a course, or follow credible experts online. The more you learn, the better decisions you'll make, and the faster you'll reach your goals. So here's your simple action plan. Review your finances honestly. Set 1 or 2 clear goals. Automate your savings and investments. Track your progress monthly, and celebrate every win, no matter how small. And as you work on your goals, remember this: every setback is a setup for a comeback. Don't let a slow start or past mistakes define your future. You have 6 months to reset, rebuild, and get closer to financial freedom. And the best part, you can start today. Now, I want to hear from you. If there's a specific finance topic you want me to cover next, drop it in the comments below. Or if you want videos on something completely different, comment that too. The topic with the most likes will be the next video I make. So, Let's build this community together. Your voice matters. And before you go, one last reminder: if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a chance to improve your financial life. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips that help you take control of your money and your future. Here's to making the rest of 2025 count.